This sketch looks similar to the previous one, but here's the key idea. Smart sketching is all about making your sketch easy to change without breaking the shape.
When you start sketching, draw your first lines close to the real size by watching the cursor coordinates. For example, if one edge should be 36, make it around 36. If the next is 10, draw it close to 10. This way the sketch stays near the final size, and later when you add exact dimensions, nothing will jump or break. Here in the list, you can see that the initial values are close to the final sizes. That's because we made sure to draw the sketch close to the real dimensions. So, when we add the exact dimensions, the sketch won't change much and stays stable.
Sometimes, when the sketch is crowded, SmartPick won't let you click exactly where you want without accidentally creating a constraint. The trick is to zoom in on the area you're working on. By doing this, elements outside your view are no longer active for SmartPick, so it won't snap to them.
By dragging elements, you can see their freedom and figure out which constraints are needed. When creating a professional sketch, the goal is stability and flexibility. To achieve this, make sure every element is properly constrained and anchored to the origin or reference geometry. Use mirror features to reduce repetitive work. Apply dimensions strategically so changes stay predictable. Use construction geometry for guidance and link related dimensions when needed. This circle is still white. That means a constraint is missing. Try dragging it around to see where it can move and figure out which constraint we need to apply. Create sketches that can be easily modified later without the entire shape falling apart. A professional sketch doesn't break when dimensions or design intent change.